In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete autocomplete URL suggestions in Google Chrome. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. From here, choose the option to clear browsing data. Depending on your version of Chrome, you may find this under More Tools or directly inside the Privacy and Security section. Both paths lead to the same place, so just click the Clear Browsing Data option when you see it. When the Clear Browsing Data window appears, switch to the Advanced tab at the top. It helps make sure you are targeting the data that influences Chrome's autocomplete and remembered suggestions. Next, find the time range setting and change it to all time. If you leave this on a shorter time range, some older suggestions may still remain in the address bar. Now check the boxes for autofill form data and browsing history. Browsing history is often tied to the website suggestions you see when typing URLs, and autofill data can also contribute to saved entries that Chrome tries to helpfully complete for you. Selecting both gives you a better chance of clearing out the unwanted suggestions completely. Once those boxes are checked, click Clear Data. Chrome will take a moment to remove the selected information. After that, the autocomplete URL suggestions should be reduced or cleared, depending on what was stored before. That covers everything you need to know.